got a question while I'm doing this. If you have to file an insurance claim, and it's like a declared value, do you file the claim for what you charge the customer, or what the item's worth, or what it would cost to replace?
That's a good question.
Well, it's declared value, so what does that mean exactly?
So I would, well, what they're going to say is say it's a plate, a fancy plate.
Mm-hmm.
It costs you $20.
Mm-hmm.
And you put declared value of, say, $30. They're going to say, well, how much is it really? Is it brand new? Is it used, taken to, like, fair market value is probably what.
What if you have something worth $3,000, but the maximum you can declare is $1,000? So as long as it's worth more than what you declared, you'll get that amount back?
No, if we have a maximum, that's the maximum you would get.
No, I know, but if you have a $3,000 plate and you declare it for $1,000, as long as you can prove it's worth $3,000, you'll get the $1,000?
The 1,000.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right. And then, is it better on something that's fragile to have you guys pack it so you can make sure that it's, packed properly?
Yes.
Because if you have an insurance claim, sometimes they try to say that you didn't pack it right. So if you pack it, you can't say you didn't pack it right, right?
Right. If we pack it, it comes with our guarantee that if something happens, you don't have to fight through the claims process. They're just like that.
Right.
You're going to get it.
Because a lot of times, like if a package is dropped flat, it's not going to, especially if you have something glass, if it's dropped flat, the box necessarily, won't be damaged because it's dropped. Like I shipped to a guy in China and they just dropped them out of the back of a plane. Like this box right here. Like, do you see any damage to the bottom of this box?
Right, of course not.
Yeah, I know. Because I just shipped the box out of here and I paid it for $1,000 insurance. And it got dropped and something got broke. And now they're saying, well, the box doesn't show any damage. But as you can just see that it doesn't show damage if it's dropped flat.
Yeah, you can drop it a couple different ways. You're going to drop it at an angle. Yeah, the
Right.
going to crush. But
so what would you do if you paid for $1,000 of insurance and you shipped it, and now, I've shipped 1,000 packages out of here and never filed a claim, and now I have a claim. They didn't even look at the box. They didn't even go to the customer's house. They didn't do anything. Without even looking at it, they said, oh, the box isn't damaged. We're not going to. And I talked to a guy that ships for Fedex down the street. He's a subcontractor. He said he's filed 20 claims in the last year. They've denied every one of them. It's a big scam, basically. You're taking people's money for insurance, but you're not paying. So what would you do? I mean, is there a manager here or I can talk to?
That's me.
Oh, you're the manager.
But, yeah. But
I mean, do you have any advice or?
Have us pack it.
Well, they're not saying the packing wasn't the problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's weird.
Can you tell me how much this weighs?
19 pounds.
19 pounds. So I dropped the 19-pound box flat, no damage. Because I'm recording you right now, and this is going to be on YouTube in a minute. I can give you my little tracking number.
Nope, you can leave my store now.
Okay, thanks.